Tired of endless email chains just to schedule a meeting? Learn how to create a booking page in Google Calendar in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact 9 clicks to set up your appointment schedule. Let's start with the first step. Start by clicking on the Create button to begin setting up your booking page. Then select Appointment Schedule from the options that appear. Now, click on Booked Appointment Settings to configure the details. Once that's done, hit Next to proceed. Next, you'll see the Booking Form section. Click on it. Then, click on Add an Item to include a new field. Now, make the phone number field required by clicking on Required under it. After that, click on Add Item again to confirm. Finally, click on Save to finish creating your booking page. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.